Hello there, welcome or welcome back. So this is all about my wash day featuring the keracare shampoo and conditioner. So this is how my hair looked a few weeks after my relaxer service, and it was still looking nice and gorgeous. So that is how it looked right there. Now for this wash day, I use a keracare color treated shampoo in my hair, and it was very moisturizing to my hair. It had slipped and it felt nice and smooth. You know, sometimes you use a shampoo to your hair and it feels really rough and it causes your hair to tangle. Not the keracare shampoo. It keeps my hair nice and smooth. So if you're looking for a moisturizing shampoo, perhaps this could be it. After washing my hair, I went ahead and rinsed it and towel blot it, and this is how my hair is looking. So it's looking nice and soft, and my scalp is very clean. There's nothing on my scalp. Then I went ahead and I poured out some of the humector conditioner, and I had 2 tablespoons of the grapeseed oil, and I mix it together. And the reason for adding the grapeseed oil to the mixture is to add some sheen. And then I went ahead and I used my fingers to apply it from the root all the way to the ends of the hair, and it went on nice and smooth. So far I am loving the humector conditioner. So if you're looking for a conditioner that will add some moisture to your hair and no protein, then perhaps this could be it. Then I went ahead and put on my steam cap, and I left it on my hair for 20 minutes. The direction says did not say anything about heat, so I didn't add any to my hair. And this is how my hair is looking after the 20 minutes. And you can see that my hair absorbed the product very well. So definitely enjoy using this particular conditioner on my hair, and it felt nice and smooth. Now I went ahead and rinsed it from my hair, and I'm telling you that it was very easy for me to detangle my hair. You know, sometimes you use a conditioner and after the conditioning treatment, you're not able to detangle your hair because it's not feeling moisturized. Not the keracare humector conditioner. It made my hair nice and soft, and it was quite easy to comb out. As you can see there on the white tooth comb, not much hair came out, so that's awesome. Then I went ahead and had my maintenance product, my e-protector, the Tresemme e-protector, and my Zimmy mousse to my hair to prep my hair for roll setting. So in all, I enjoyed using this product, and this is how my hair is looking after the roller set. Now I'm going to show you how my hair looked after it dried. So I went ahead and started to remove the rollers from my hair, and this is how my hair is actually looking. So let's take a look. After removing the rollers from my hair, I noticed that it was not nice and shiny. Even though I'd had the grapeseed oil to it, it felt nice and smooth and moisturized, but it was not looking shiny. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What you think. Do you think it looks shiny and moisturized? Let me know. I don't know if it's looking that way to you on camera, but definitely it was looking to me in real life. It was really looking dull. To detangle my hair, it was quite easy. I didn't have any problem in combing out my curls from my hair, but like I said, I did not like the fact that my hair actually still looked dull, but nevertheless, I loved how it let my hair look nice and smooth and flowy. So I recently bought this shampoo and conditioner, and so far I can say that I am loving them so far. You can let me know in the comment section if you love this product and are you planning on trying it out soon. I just wanted to share this short video with you. I think it's short. I think it's about 7 minutes, right? Or about there. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So now I'm just brushing out my hair, and yeah, pretty much. So after brushing my hair, this is how my hair looked. So you can take a better look at it. So it's feeling nice and soft, of course, and I'm loving it. So that had some sheen to my hair. I'm going to be using the Motions Daily Oil Moisturizer on my hair. I'm just going to rub it right through. And then after doing that, I'm going to get my brush and I'm going to wrap my hair. And then I'm going to come back and show you the result to see if there's any improvement. So let's do that. So I left my hair in a wrap for about 3 to 4 hours. And now I'm going to show you how my hair is looking after applying the Motion Daily Oil Moisturizer to my hair. So let's take my hair down, and then I'm going to use my white tooth comb, of course, to comb it out. And so far you can see that my hair is looking nice and shiny, and I am loving it. So definitely I love the keracare shampoo and conditioner, and they will definitely be a part of my hair care products that I use on my hair. So the shampoo that I use, as I mentioned earlier, is the moisturizing shampoo for color treated hair. That's the one that I use in this video. And I recently purchased another keracare shampoo that is called the detangling keracare shampoo. Okay, let me get the bottle so I can tell you the right word. Right, so it's marked hydrating detangling shampoo. So I recently got that one, so I'll definitely be adding that too, and it's quite moisturizing also.